morning. Jana here with Jana's Quilt Shop. And we're through with the holidays. We're ready to get started with Monday morning tidbit. I've got a good one for you today. I hope you're ready to start making quilts for yourself and maybe even get started on next Christmas quilts. I've got some ideas for you and see what you think. Let me know in comments what you think. Don't forget, this coming Saturday will be our demo at 1 o'clock. It's a free demo. Anybody can come in and see what we've got on. I've been working on some stuff for it, so I hope you like it too. Classes will resume as normal. Today at 10 o'clock we have our Winging a Prayer class, and then Saturday's classes will be as normal and the rest of the month. So we're ready to get going. I've got a lot of energy and ready to come up with some new plans for you. Okay, you see these in front of me? These are bundles that we're going to have in the shop. Look at all the pretty coordinated fabrics. Let me tell you what this is about. Have you ever wanted to know how much 3 yards of fabric would make? What size quilt can you make with 3 yards? Well, that's what these are. They're 3 yards bundles. One of each color. 1 yard of each color. Look at this one. Is that not beautiful? There's a yard of each one of those in there. Look at this one. The green and the blues with some green in it, all coordinated, already figured out for you. You know they're going to work together. Look at that one. This is now one of my favorites. Look at that one. I love this plaid with the small florals, and that seems to be a thing with the fabric lines nowadays, but look how gorgeous that one is. Look at that. This is just a start of what we're going to have. Let me show you a quilt. I came home and decided I'd just see what 3 yards would do. And here's what I came up with. Let's see if you like it. I wasn't too sure at first. Now that I've got it done, it's going to be one of those I keep. I can tell you that, because I like the fabrics. I like the simplicity of the pattern. It's quick and easy, and I love the way it turned out. I hope you do. But look, it's not really a square. There are rectangles in there. But look at that. I just used 2 colors in the body of the quilt, the plaid and this little light floral there, so that they would go on a diagonal. See how the pattern goes like that. And then I had just enough fabric of my border fabric to make my little 3D flowers. See, they are just attached in the corners. And then the button in the middle. 3 of those. This is applique on. I just did a little slit in the stitching there and put my stems down in there and restitched it, because I didn't know at the time what I was going to do, but that's how I did that. And then I made the 3 flowers 3D to go on there to bring the fabric back in there. What do you think about that? Okay, so you do these 6 wide and 7 down, and then I had enough of this to make a border around, because I like large lap quilts. And that's what this turned out. It'd make a cute baby quilt, but I ended up, it's a large lap quilt size. And then I measured and worked and figured out how I could get my border out of this. So I have a pretty wide border there, and then just enough scraps to do my flowers, like I said. Then I had enough of this. Yes, this and this is 1 yard. So I had enough to do my binding as well out of it. Now the back is not included in it. This is a separate white tone-on-tone I used for the back of it. But all this came out of one of those bundles. So that's what you could do. And I really believe, I did some figuring, and I really believe if you bought 2 of them, you could get a queen size quilt. And that seems to be what most people make for their beds. But if you're like me, I love these for baby quilts or throw in the floor pallets or lap quilts. So I hope you like that one. I really like it. It's so easy to make. You can do it like that. It'll be great for a gift. So this is the bundle I used right here. This first one I showed you, which I am in love with the black and white check like that. So I really like that one. But any of these could be traded in and use that same pattern, because you've got this little plaid here. You've got a little plaid here, and this one would work for the plaid. And the key is there's light and dark in there, so that this would have enough contrast to go in the body of it. So these I'm going to start selling in the shop while supplies last. About each color we'll have these bundles made up. Like this one's going to go fast. I've already had people in watching us cut them, already wanting to order them. which we haven't done it yet because I didn't have the patterns ready. But the pattern will be included in these. If you use mine here, it will be a free pattern. But I have ordered, and they will be here shortly, a bunch of 3-yard patterns. So you could pick any of these and make those 3-yard quilts. You just have to look and see which one you like. But this one will be free if you buy one of these bundles. The others will be a small purchase price on those. But these all are going to be in the store now if you like one, and they're $34. Can you believe you could do a lap quilt with $34? You can. This and the pattern, all you would need is the quilting in the back to have a lap quilt. So, and if you wanted the queen, like I said, 68, you could probably get your queen in depending on how large you want to make it. But that's what I've got for my tidbit. I've been so excited about trying to get these done. I've been pairing up fabrics myself, so I would find stuff. And usually, if I find stuff I like, other people do too. So we try to go with that. I know I love blues, but I did add some green in here, the people that love green. Come in and check them out. We'll have a bunch of them for you. But that's my tidbit for today. If you'd like one before the fabrics run out, put in the comments that you would like one and which color you want, and we'll reserve it for you. Or come by the shop today and check them out. All right, that's all I have. I'm so excited to be back in the shop working and quilting and having fun with the girls again. If you want to come in and talk to us. All right, that's it for today. You have a great Monday and see you soon. Good day.